हाय, मैं हूं तराना, ये है लेट्स टॉक और आज हम आपको मिलवाएंगे इंडस्ट्री के सबसे इंटेंस और सीरियस एक्टर से। अब जब मैं सीरियस कहती हूँ मैं उनकी फितरत की ही बात नहीं कर रही, बल्कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज कैलिबर। वेदर ही डज कॉमेडी, एक्शन, रोमांस और ड्रामा, एवरीबody takes him very very seriously as an actor. The one and only Ajay Devgan. Hi Ajay. Do you get psyched sometimes that people take you very very seriously?
I don't know why they take me seriously. Because I don't take myself seriously.
I know, लेकिन आप आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी है जरा घबराहट हो जाती है कि oh my god very serious very.
नहीं ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
कि इंटेलिजेंट चीजें हमें बोलनी चाहिए ना.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
And you're also considered one complete introvert. आप ज़्यादा इंटरव्यूज वगैरह नहीं देते.
इंटरव्यूज वगैरह I mean very lazy.
Shy? अच्छा, I was going to ask you shy and lazy.
Shy पता नहीं, shy भी हो सकता है, but I think I'm lazy.
Well, I'm glad कि आपकी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है because which is why we've got him. हल्ला बोल. Actually, आपका जो टाइटल है मुझे कंफ्यूज कर रहा है because हल्ला बोल makes me think of like fun and excitement and action.
No, हल्ला बोल actually means raise your voice, kind of attack.
आवाज उठाओ.
But आवाज उठाओ.
Okay.
But there's a lot of fun in the film also.
मैंने सुना था कि जेसिका लाल मर्डर केस से काफी इंस्पायर है ये फिल्म.
नहीं, आई थिंक जेसिका लाल मर्डर केस एक एपिसोड है फिल्म में और कहानी बेसिकली है एक कैरेक्टर की जो कि एक स्टार है और कैसे वो स्टार बना, क्या क्या स्ट्रगल उसे करनी पड़ी. उसकी लाइफ की एक ही एम्बिशन थी, ही वांटेड टू बिकम बिग, ही वांटेड टू बिकम अ स्टार, ही वांटेड टू एक्ट. और कैसे उसकी लाइफ में एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि जहाँ अपनी कॉन्शियसनेस के लिए उसे अगर कुछ करना है तो उसकी वजह से जो कुछ इतनी मेहनत से उसने पाया था वो सब खोना पड़ेगा. यहाँ चुप बैठा रहे और ही इज़ फाइन. And how he decides to fight and loses everything what he had, gets back everything what he had.
As usual, a very very interesting film that he's doing. मैंने सुना है कि आप जब ओमकारा की शूटिंग कर रहे थे उसी सेट पर हल्ला बोल की भी थोड़ी बहुत शूटिंग हुई है.
हाँ, जब ओमकारा का एक गाना कर रहे थे तब we wanted to shoot there are portions of the film जहाँ पे दिखाया कि how the star is shooting for different films. So just a few cuts.
So do you actually play Ajay Devgan? A different character.
I play Sameer Khan in the film, who's a star.
A star.
And there are portions in the film where he's shooting for films in the film. So they came and they captured बाकी अलग-अलग शूटिंगों पे they just came with the camera.
I also read that Kareena said because by default मैं दिख जाऊंगी इस फिल्म में, you have to write my name in the credits, you know. Are you going to?
I really don't know about that, but Kareena's there for a small.
She is there for a little, like, see, you learned something new and let's talk. अच्छा, आपके पोस्टर पे लिखा है राजकुमार संतोषी and Ajay Devgan present. राजकुमार जी के साथ आप पहले भी काम कर चुके हैं. You've won a national award, I think, for Bhagat Singh with him. Fun working with him.
I think great fun because when you're working with a good director who's very clear about what he wants, who's passionate about making a good film, and who's a very good writer himself, and above all, who's a very good actor himself. So चीज़ें काफ़ी आसान हो जाती हैं कि जब आपके डायरेक्टर को एग्जैक्टली पता होता है कि परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होना चाहिए और आप वॉच कर रहे हैं उनको और वो खुद इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक थिंग्स गेट लॉट मोर ईजियर.
तो वो सीन एनैक्ट करके आपको दिखाते हैं?
वो जब सीन पढ़ते हैं तो ही डजंट रियलाइज हिमसेल्फ दैट ही इज परफॉर्मिंग.
ओह. And you actually, you observe and you
Of course, because he does it so well that you start getting scared will you be able to do as good as he's doing?
Well, the thing is, you've done such a wide variety of roles and इतने अच्छा काम किया है. Do you still learn or do you feel कि
I think you learn every day. I think you learn every day. Or the day you stop learning, I think you should stop working, because that can never happen. I mean, nobody can grow as much as that. You know it all. तो I think मज़ा तो उसी का है कि आप हर रोज़ अपने काम से सीखते हो, अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं, दूसरों की गलतियों से या दूसरों के अच्छे काम से सीखते हैं. तो यू कीप इट्स अ प्रोसेस.
तो अब जब हर किस्म का रोल आप कर चुके हो, ऐसा कुछ बचा है जो आपके लिए चैलेंजिंग साबित होगा?
अगर आप हर रोज़ सीख रहे हैं तो फिर हर रोज़ नया ऐसा रोल भी आएगा जो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि यार ये मुश्किल है. बिकॉज एवरी डे व्हेन यू गो फॉर वर्क यू थिंक कि यार जब आप एक सीन पढ़ते हैं you still feel कि will I be able to perform this?
Really?
Yeah, and I think everybody feels that.
But even at this stage, that's what's amazing.
At any stage, I think I am sure all my colleagues will agree with me on this. Until that is there, I think you should keep working.
कई बार मैंने पढ़ा है that he's probably the naughtiest actor that we have in our industry because he's a big prankster. जो भी आपका co-star है वो हमेशा कहते हैं यार अजय से बच के रहो and also.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
कहाँ से आते हैं आइडियाज आपको? कहाँ
ऐसा नहीं, I think while working, if you're only working, it's very boring. You need to have fun on the sets, and you have to enjoy. You have to wake up in the morning and think that I need to go for work, and that can only happen if you're enjoying your work also.
True. So the fun element is also brought in by you.
Of course.
अच्छा मैंने कहीं पढ़ा that you're a very good cook and on the shooting of your own film.
No, that's not true.
लेकिन टिक्के विक्के नहीं बनाए थे आपने
बिल्कुल
अपने
नहीं,
पूरे
कुछ
crew के लिए?
नहीं, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं किया था मैंने. लोग कुछ भी लिख देते हैं और फिर बाकी जो पढ़ते हैं
तो
वो मान
अच्छी
लेते हैं.
कहानी थी, you could have said हाँ बनाए थे.
नहीं, लेकिन जब नहीं बनाए तो नहीं बनाए. I do like to cook sometimes, but it's been a long time.
ऐसे पूरे यूनिट के लिए खाना बनाना जरा मुश्किल भी पड़ता.
नहीं, उसके लिए वक्त भी नहीं है.
So now you as a director, firstly the title of your film is very complicated. Me, you or hum.
You, me or hum. I think if you understand the concept, is the most easiest title. When we talk about love, when we talk about being with somebody, we talk about the other person, you, me, and
together we make a hum.
And together we make a hum. And till you don't make a hum, there's no point of you. I mean, love doesn't make sense.
You're producer, director, and acting in your film. मुश्किल नहीं है इतनी सारी चीजें करना एक ही फिल्म में?
नहीं, I think if you're very clear about what you're doing, कोई भी काम मुश्किल नहीं है.
But सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल क्या लगता है? कुछ तो
बिल्कुल नहीं, कुछ नहीं. आई थिंक आप मुझसे पूछे तो अगर लाइफ में कंफ्यूजन है तो सब कुछ मुश्किल है. अगर लाइफ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है तो कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं.
as long as you have clarity सब कुछ ठीक है.
Exactly.
तो फिर डांस आपके लिए आसान है?
नहीं.
इंटरव्यूज देना आसान है?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हाँ, see, I got
किस क्लैरिटी नहीं है ना.
स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं होती है, हम कुछ भी भी थ्रू कर रही हूँ. No, I remember फूल और कांटे आपकी जो पहली फिल्म थी, and there was that dramatic entry. I think सबको याद होगा. Those two motorcycles and you're standing on it. Do you sometimes miss those days and feel like यार मुझे ये antics वापस करने हैं स्क्रीन पे?
ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं, but it would be fun doing it.
Because people remember that entry shot.
Yeah.
Till now.
I think that was a great entry.
It was a great entry.
The credit again goes to my father and the director of the film.
And I believe जब आपने एंट्री की थी इंडस्ट्री में सबको लगा था a new angry young man has come और अमित जी जरा हट जाइए अब अजय
वो तो
दीपक आ
कभी जिंदगी में हो ही नहीं सकता. I think you can't even compare.
No, you can't. No, we're not even trying. I'm just saying that was the buzz around town at that point in time.
I don't know what the buzz was. It was just that the film worked and.
So जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे आपको एक्शन ही करना था और you just said I want to be a complete actor या स्टार या क्या?
See, everybody wants to be a complete actor. I mean, जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आया था तब उस किस्म की फिल्में उस किस्म की बनती थी और हम लोग 10-10, 15-15 फिल्में एक वक्त पे करते थे, 3-3 शिफ्टें करते थे. That was the way the industry was. And then फिल्मों का पैटर्न चेंज हुआ, अलग किस्म की फिल्में बनने लगी तो हमने करनी शुरू कर दी सबने. अब फिर पैटर्न चेंज हो रहा है. So I think it's happening for the good.
Of course it is. Do you think Bhatt Saab's Zakham changed things for you when people started looking at you differently, or was it?
I think there were 3 or 4 films at that time which came in 1.5 year, which was Pyar To Hona Tha. Started with Pyar To Hona Tha, then Zakham came, then Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam came. So I think these 3-4 films.
But we've absolutely loved you in Omkara.
Thank you so much.
Is there a personal favorite of yours?
I don't have personal favorites because you work as hard in all the films.
Sure.
And some films are appreciated and some films are not appreciated. Somewhere your work is appreciated, somewhere it's not. But it's your baby because you work so hard always.
But ऐसा कोई ना कोई.
So you can't be biased. I don't
कोई
think.
ना कोई role तो ज़रूर होगा that you would say.
ठीक ऐसे बहुत सारे रोल हैं. I mean, like you spoke about Zakham. So there are some characters which stay with you.
They do, but you have no personal favorites.
No, I don't have any.
और जब फिल्म लोगों को पसंद नहीं आती, like I'm sorry to bring
So
this up, but Ram
that's
Gopal
part of the
Verma
game.
की
That's
याद.
part of the game. I mean, we all make mistakes and we all learn out of it, and at least attempt not to make the same mistake again. We will all make mistakes, but at least not repeat the same mistake.
Halla Bol with Rajkumar Santoshi. Are you really excited about it?
Of course, I'm excited in the sense because, as I told you earlier, I think the film is very good, and it's the kind of film you would be proud of.
तो आप पूरी पिक्चर देख चुके हो?
जी मैं पूरी पिक्चर देख चुका हूँ.
एक
वरना मैं ये बात बोलता ही.
हाँ नहीं, क्योंकि अक्सर like actors नहीं देखते हैं, then this actually later we realize that
No.
we had seen only आप.
No, I realize earlier only. और फिर जिस फिल्म के लिए मुझे समझ में नहीं आती मैं बोलता ही नहीं.
एक तो भाई डायरेक्टर धांसो है, फिर there's पंकज कपूर इस फिल्म में, विद्या बालन. आप how's your chemistry with her?
I think it's very comfortable to work with her and it's always fun to work with good actors.
She's one of the few who said he's very naughty and I was very wary.
Did she?
Did you do anything to her?
No, I don't remember what I did.
याद नहीं है क्या, बता नहीं रहे हो?
नहीं मुझे सच्ची याद नहीं.
Hala Bol has got all these different facets to it. It's a action film. It's also about causes. Do you do films just like causes?
It's a drama. It's a drama on a very entertaining dais. I mean, it's something जहाँ पे humor भी है, action भी है. Action in the sense, action to a very realistic degree, and drama. एंड इस दायरे में रहते हुए अगर आप ऑडियंस को एंटरटेन करते हुए अगर आप जो बोलना चाहें अगर एक कोई बात कह सके जो ऑडियंस घर ले जा सके आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग.
सो यू आर सेइंग ये कमर्शियल फिल्म है?
मेरे हिसाब से ये कमर्शियल फिल्म है.
एंड रेनकोट?
रेनकोट वाज फॉर मी द थॉट वाज वेरी नाइस. But while doing the film, we realized that the process is very slow.
Okay.
And Raincoat was something which I really love, but I won't expect the audience to, sit and watch the whole film.
Okay, you wouldn't expect.
Yeah, because for me also, I mean, it was a beautiful, it had a beautiful depth to it, but I think it was stretched too long for it. It got somewhere boring.
And what about Cash?
Cash is a film I don't recognize because I didn't complete the film. They just released it.
हर एक्टर कहता है कि उन्होंने कंप्लीट ही नहीं की थी, डेट्स खत्म हो गई थी, and then फिर
डेट्स खत्म होने की बात नहीं है. उन्होंने 30 दिन की फिल्म बाकी थी. उनके आपस के अपने कॉम्प्लिकेशंस थे
और फिर उन्होंने एनिमेशन कैरेक्टर्स डाल दिए.
उससे भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी वो फिल्म. ऐसे रिलीज कर दी गई.
ओहो, नो वंडर एक्टर्स है. सो that's nothing to do with you obviously.
That's nothing to do with anybody.
एक्टर्स के साथ तो कुछ भी कनेक्शन नहीं होता है. सो आफ्टर हल्ला बोल हम आपको किस फिल्म में देखेंगे?
संडे रिलीज हो रही है. I think Jan end में.
Okay.
That's a funny film. That's
funny
comedy.
film.
Yeah, that's directed by Rohit, who made Golmaal. Yeah. तो वो अगले महीने रिलीज होगी. फिर उसके बाद यूमी और हम रिलीज होगी.
You're directing your wife in this. Is she difficult to handle?
Not at all.
She wouldn't say now you shut up and all, I'll see you at home.
No. She's a producer of the film also, so she's I think easy.
How close are your methods of acting to your wife? Because Kajal is supposed to be this spontaneous person who just
I
switches
think
on
we
and
both
off.
are very spontaneous.
Really?
I don't think we work a lot, very hard on our pre-shooting or
घुस नहीं
plan the
जाते हैं
scenes.
हम.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
Seriously बैठे
बिल्कुल
हैं.
नहीं.
Everybody loves the two of you as a couple and everybody wonders कि इतने मुख्तलिफ लोग कैसे मिल गए, वो इतनी बातों नहीं गई, इतनी चुपचाप है. And 5-year courtship, हाँ?
Yeah, but I think these are the kind of people who get along. अगर दोनों बोलेंगे तो फिर
सुनेगा कौन?
सुनेगा कौन?
तो आप ज़्यादा सुनते हो और ज़्यादा बोलती हैं?
हाँ वो तो सभी को पता है.
मैं तो पर्सनली शायद कुछ और हो. वो पढ़ती हैं, आप पढ़ते हैं?
नहीं मैं पढ़ता कम.
अच्छा. And she is very brash and जो भी दिमाग में आता है वो बोल देती हैं और आप ऐसे हो?
हाँ I think दोनों ऐसे ही हैं.
आप किस किस्म के फादर हैं?
I think जैसे
नहीं मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट एंड बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट वैरायटी या?
No, she's too small for that.
वो छोटी है ना?
हाँ she हमको घुमाती रहती है.
But do you think when she's a teenager you'll get stressed and?
I really don't know. I'll have to figure that out.
Okay, we'll probably catch up with them when she's in her teens. Currently she's not. Honestly, even I'll tell you, I had a good time talking to you. And इससे पहले तो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं इतनी बातें करते हुए. So it was a welcome change. And on that note, मैं आपके लिए कुछ लाई हूँ.
Oh sir.
क्योंकि आपको मोटरसाइकिल्स पसंद हैं और गाड़ियाँ पसंद हैं. This is a book which is The Art of Motorcycle Maintenance.
Oh, that's so nice.
पता नहीं आपने ये पढ़ी है या नहीं.
नहीं मैंने नहीं पढ़ी.
And there is of course the Greatness Guide by the gentleman who wrote The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari.
Okay.
And हमारा मतलब we also thought कि अगर आप नहीं पढ़ेंगे you could easily give it to your wife.
Yeah, she won't read this, but I'll read it.
You read them. All right, then this is for you.
Thank you so much.
And pleasure talking to you. All the best for
Thank you. Thanks.
And hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
For
Thank you.
me, you and hum.
You, me और हम.
You, me और हम. I will say this the next time I meet you, which is next week. आप कहीं मत जाइएगा. अगले हफ्ते आपसे जरूर मुलाकात होगी. Only on Let's Talk, only on Zoom. इसको देखो.